Hello, this is Maneesh. This is just a short video on the Franke Omni 4-in-1 boiler tap if you're having issues that it doesn't get hot. Okay, so this is a working tap which when we put it on get lots of hot boiling water coming out, and underneath the sink there's the tank where the boiling water comes from. So inside that big white box is this tank, which unfortunately is all welded together and cannot be opened. On the side of it there's two sensors here and here. These are the sensors which switch off the heating element when it gets to 100 degrees Celsius. These are normally closed circuit or on when the tank is cold, and then they should go open circuit or off when the tank reaches 100. If either of these sensors fail, the tank will not get hot. In order to test these sensors, you just need a simple multimeter. If you turn your multimeter to the ohms range, I'll put it on 2K, and at the moment it shows just a 1. If the probes are connected together, it should show 0 or something like that. Right, so with the probes attached, if you can see, the multimeter now shows 0000. So that switch is working. And if we try the other one, that also is closed circuit and the meter shows 0000. So those switches are good. If they are open circuit, you will need to replace one or both of these. There's also a fail-safe switch on the bottom of the tank, which if these fail and the tank gets over hot, this will switch off and it will need resetting by pressing the little button on the end, which you can access through a hole in the bottom of the Omni tank. So if this tripped, you wouldn't actually need to take it apart. In the case of my tank, this was not even connected from the factory. Are good. If they're connected, then the next thing to check is this heating element, which is connected to these two screws on the bottom of the tank. Now, if these are open circuit, the heating element will not work. If they're closed circuit, also it will not work. So between these two terminals there should be approximately 35 ohms. And when I connect between the two, I have open circuit, which means the element is blown, and unfortunately it cannot be repaired. When I say the element cannot be repaired, unfortunately the way the tank has been designed is that it's all welded together and there's no possible way to get inside, apart from if you have an angle grinder. Now, because this tank is unfortunately now going to landfill, I've cut it in half just to show you what I mean. Inside you'll see that there is a swirly heating element, but this is put in at manufacture and cannot be taken out or replaced in any way. So unfortunately, if the element of this tank is blown, it's going to landfill and you'll need to buy a complete new tank and box, which is about £350. Hope you found this video good. Bye now.